Welcome to another episode of the Drawing Science Club. I'm your host, Brenda, and today we're going to be learning about how the environment can change the traits that a plant might have. To do this, we're going to be doing an experiment where we grow seeds in light and then we grow seeds in dark, and we compare how those seeds grow. For this experiment, you're going to need some fast-growing seeds, you're going to need 2 jars of potting soil, and you'll need a place with sun and a place without sun. All right, let's get started. All right, here we are up close to see how our seeds respond and change based on their environment. So for each of these, we're going to put in our seeds. And we're going to have water. And we're going to put one in the light and one in the dark. And we're going to see over time how these change. So I'm going to put one in the dark and one in the light. And we'll check back in a few days and see how things are going. This week we did an experiment on plant adaptation to see how traits can change depending on what environment they're put in. This pot of seeds we planted with soil, with light, and with water. We gave it its ideal conditions for growing. You can see that it's a healthy green color. A lot of the seeds sprouted. It's going really well. This could turn into a viable food source at some point if we keep up with its care. Now, this plant, on the other hand, we put in the dark. We gave it soil and water, but no light. And you can see that it grew really tall. It's got a strange white color, and the ends are all this weird yellow color. And that's because the plant wasn't able to go through the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is what turns leaves a green color and also helps complete the growth process of the plants and keep it healthy and growing properly. So because these plants were in the dark, the traits that they took on were extra growth because in the plant's mind, there's no light nearby, but maybe if it grows really tall, really fast, it'll be able to find a light source. It changed the qualities of the plant to grow taller, faster, because it couldn't find the light source. And you can also see that the plant stems are all bending this way because this is actually the side that the door opened on. So every time I opened my dark pantry to get other food out, the plants got a little bit of light, and so they started growing towards the opening in the light because they really need that light to keep growing and being healthy plants. So you can see by this experiment that plants will change what traits are produced due to what environment they're in. Did your experiment have similar results, or did you get something different? Let me know in the comments. Here's the science. In our experiment, we tested a seed growing in light versus dark to see how the plant adapted and changed. Plants are unique because they can't necessarily get up and move from one place to another like an animal or a human can if conditions aren't ideal for living. So the plant itself must change to get its needs met by the environment. So plants have some really special abilities, such as the ability to grow faster in search of sun, or the ability to spread their roots out deeper to find water, or to turn the way that they're positioned to either get into the sun or avoid the sun. And in some cases, plants can even creep and grow out extra tendrils to reach locations that might be more ideal. In our experiment, the plant that was grown in the sun turned green and had a nice little stem and started producing leaves. But our plant that was planted in the dark grew faster, had a weird yellow color, and never produced as many leaves as the seeds grown in the sun. That's because the plant was putting more of its energy towards trying to find a light source, so it grew rapidly, trying to find a source of light, versus the plant in the sun that was getting all of its needs met was able to grow in the best way possible for making flowers and fruit later down the line. If a plant's needs aren't met, it can adapt to a certain point, but if enough of its needs aren't met, the plant will die. If you leave your plant in the sun too long without water, it's going to die. Or if you overwater your plant, it can drown and die too. So it's important whenever you're growing plants to take their needs into consideration and watch them carefully to make sure that we don't accidentally kill them by giving them too much of something or not enough of something else. That's it for today. See you next time.